While you are staring at an empty checking account, we will show you exactly how to make $22 sales pour in every 20 seconds. That's 3 sales a minute with our triple threat Christmas care package for newbies. Now you might be saying, Jamie, will it really work for newbies? Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I sat down with a few of my students and I'll just randomly ask everyone how much money they're making. See, we wanted to outdo our guru counterparts and deliver something foolproof. That's right. Something where the industry will never be the same. So happy holidays. See, there is no experience needed. There's no hard work, there's no expenses, no delay. You're going to get 3 income streams, not just one. It only takes 20 seconds to get a sale, 100% commissions, total vendor resale rights, no expenses, 100% profit margin, which is the ultimate hack for newbies. All right, so let's find out how my students are doing. Hey, Dan, you made any money with my strategies?
It's all coming together right now. I got like 10 sales in the last couple days on an offer, so.
Danny, tell us how much money you made.
Brings in money, probably about $100 a month.
Yeah, and how much money you made?
I've got 300 or so sales on Warrior Plus.
I made $3,182. I sold 183.
Tell us about your success with your domaining.
So far, we're making some good sales, but I have some even better stuff coming up.
Hello, Nanda here. This happened. Jamie made this happen for me. While I'm sitting here by the pool, looking out into the ocean.
So as I was saying, we get $22 payments pouring in at high frequency. You are seeing this correctly. That is $4,405.14 made in the last 7 days. And $44,482 made in the last 30 days. And this income comes from tons of these easy and quick $22 on up to $80 commissions that fly in at a high rate of fire. It's all thanks to our new system that brings in these types of sales 3 times a minute. And when the sales fly into our wallet, all we do is withdraw them every week. It takes 10 seconds. And it never stops. Our system is working while we sleep. And imagine that you log into your email and you see a company sending you $8,317.86 like this. We get emails like this all the time. So, because we do so well online, Christmas shopping is super easy for us. As an example, my stepdaughter wanted an air track for her gymnastics, but her birth father couldn't afford a $1,299 item. I could use $1,299 as toilet paper, so I was able to jump in and save the day. The air track just got delivered. See, I know what you're going through because of my webinars and unmuting all of my students on there. And just like all of my other students, you first find my programs and then you need something that fits into your impossible schedule and actually works, but you just never find it. You know, you stayed up all night, watching tutorials, building your funnel, buying traffic. Nothing works. And then the holidays are here and it is freak out time with so many children, siblings, and grandchildren begging you for gifts, and you just can't do it. But it is not your fault, my friend. This is the end of that. This is the end of your recurring buying patterns that end in disappointment, my friend, because it is the holiday season and my partner and me, Johnny Rose, we joined forces, and just because it is Christmas, we're doing something very special. We created a system that allows you to use 3 of our systems in unison with master resale rights, 100% commissions, and when all 3 are on autopilot, it is like magic. We fuse them together so that you could buy your spouse and your kids and your grandchildren some Christmas presents. So, how are you? My name is Jamie Lewis, and as you know, I'm a living legend when it comes to internet marketing. If you see me on ClickBank selling $17 million worth of products online, and you've probably seen my music videos on entrepreneurship all over the place. And when you ask people how they learned internet marketing, many of them will tell you that they learned it from me, or I was a part of their training. But when you don't have the tools, the wisdom, or the solid methodology, I am sure that you will agree it won't work. And since you're here, you are probably experiencing this and need the secret. So here's the secret. You need consistent, high converting traffic and a well put together offer that pumps out sales like a fountain. And that's what I'm going to give you. And this is why. You can't lose with the triple threat system that gets instant payments on autopilot. All right, because people of all ages and backgrounds, they're seeing commissions. See, you're going to tap into a much different world with high frequency payments, okay? They're easier to get and experience a triple-pronged business of its kind. Our beta testers, they learn quick and they're experiencing phenomenal results. So, we would like to introduce to you Stocking Filla. That's right, the triple threat Christmas care package for newbies. You're gonna get 100% commissions, even the OTO sales. You're going to get master resale rights to all 3 systems, and you'll pocket 100%. So you're getting the step-by-step video tutorials that generate testimonials out of potato chip eaters for 10 years now. You might not be a fan of videos, well then you get the quick start guide. Do it for America. Get Stocking Filla now for just a $17 one-time fee. Stocking Filla is feature-packed to produce results today. You get 3 chances and 3 lives, 100% commissions, high-frequency payments only. It's innovative. It's an amazing income hack. Easy access, it's cloud-based, and you get continuous business. Imagine this! Oh my God. This could be you, you good person. Put on your underpants, sit at the sofa, and enjoy the ride. Don't stay broke and depressed. Turn your competitors into a mess and make this year your best. And remember, you don't need to be a rocket scientist. Newbies cannot believe the results. The triad of awesomeness gets results. Hurry though, because the price is going to rise again in an hour. This is the official grand release. We will be allowing licenses for a one-time fee, no monthly fees, before everyone else has to pay $47 a month. That is the definition of a no-brainer. So click on the button below and make that little one-time payment with your credit card, boom! And then convert tons of high converting traffic immediately and buy your grandchildren's grandchildren some Christmas presents. All right, you'll also get bonuses that'll disappear faster than free donuts at a police convention, 6 of them, complimentary traffic software, case studies, and more. And look, it's now or never. Get in before the price goes up. You pay less than the cost of a venison sandwich. And remember that Stocking Filla will get you results or you get it for free with our 180-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you'll have a full 6 months to make sure that this is the best investment that you've ever made. So if for some reason you're unhappy, you can get a refund by emailing us or through our retailer Warrior Plus. Use Stocking Filla to convert traffic into instant PayPal payments and commissions. Get results today or get your money back. This makes it impossible to lose. So grab it all for less than a $20 bill right now. Take the bull by the horns and gain the control over your life that you deserve. You can click and get in now and get 3 income streams set up for you before December 25th. 100% commissions, full resale rights. Congratulations on finding our page, and let's go!
Those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling too.